Good afternoon, boys and girls, and happy Friday. We are going to do a fun little science experiment with some simple things, a expo marker, and you need to use a expo marker for this to work, not a magic marker or a Sharpie. An expo marker is or like a dry erase marker that you would use on a board. And then a plate, and I've written the word hello on my plate, and some lukewarm water. And what's going to happen is the ink in the water, not the ink in the water, the ink in the marker is insoluble, which means it will not dissolve. And it's got very little adhesive in it, and so that means it's not going to stick either. So when it hits the water, it's going to cause the letters to lift up off of the plate and float, because most of the time when things hit water, they float. So you're going to see the reaction of the letters and the water. And I've tried it a few times, and it has worked. So hopefully it's going to work this time. Here we go. Oh, there we go. A few of them came off. Pretty neat, huh? Oh, there goes the E and the O. Pretty cool. I hope you can see that. Just floating around there. So now you can try this at home, and I hope you have fun. See you next time.